If you don't see this video,
The climb is too steep.
Thailand 4.0 baby.
Hey everyone, so today is our first full day in Phuket. Planning to rent a bike and go to some beaches. So let's get started. First task, bike rent.
We got our beach styles from the hotel.
Yeah.
They provide that. So let's see how the price is for renting bikes.
Okay. So we are booking this bike from this place. Motorbike for rent, 300 baht per day with helmet, no petrol. They will give us full tank and we have to give back full tank.
Give me passport.
Keep passport? Okay.
So we are renting from Lord Voldemort.
And we are taking this one.
This is the road condition to Freedom Beach.
So our first stop is Freedom Beach. While coming here, the road was steep and
Bumpy and full of potholes, and he has already inaugurated the trip with our skin cut.
yeah. Okay,
It's
so
the beginning.
yeah.
And now the Freedom Beach, we have rode uphill too much. Now it's like a 10 minutes
Down.
walk downhill, 450 meters to the beach. It's looking like Bali vibes, right?
Yeah. While climbing down, the path is very jungly. Don't forget your mosquito repellent because
Yeah.
I am sure after this trek, she will have so many mosquito bites. Hi.
Freedom Beach is here.
I guess so. I'm not so sure.
Oh my god.
So this is not the freedom I was looking forward to. My legs and hands are now like it's burning out of the mosquito bites. I do have allergy from mosquito. Like why? And the path is definitely not in my favor. Though they have ropes, thankfully. Do keep in mind that the roads can look like this and sometimes like this.
Finally, we can see
Some glimpse.
of the beach in front of us. Let's go.
We're attempting to fly a drone for the first time outside Canada. Go, drone, go.
So we have successfully flown our first time drone in Thailand. Obviously in Thailand, baby.
I mean, it started with a sign kind of a heart attack because it just went on top of the cliff
Yeah.
where there was no visibility for us.
This is Mini DJI Mini 4. That 4 has the sensor all around.
Yeah.
So with that sensor, actually we got
That
saved
worked.
our
So
ass.
DJI, good job.
DJI, good job.
Our lunch with this view. It's actually good. We ordered for a plain chicken fried rice and with the lemon. It's either we are too damn hungry and it's too hot. So somehow this food is tasting.
Yeah. So our lunch is with proper view of Andaman Sea. Yeah, this is the Andaman Sea.
Ironically, we are from West Bengal and we haven't been Andaman Nicobar Islands.
But we are getting the taste of that Andaman Sea.
From Thailand.
From Thailand. We are going now in a different path to go up. They said this path will lead to a taxi stand. I'm not so sure why coming
What
back.
kind of taxi or?
And
But
it-
this looks like this is proper stairs.
proper stairs.
If you don't see this video, this is the reason I died.
The climb is too steep. They have option for taxi 100 baht each for low season, 300 baht for high season. That 4x4 car will take you.
This
But-
is actually 45 to 50 degrees inclined. It kind of better in terms of duration because it will straight take you up quickly compared to that forest trail. But this is a toll on your unfit heart. This is actually very steep. The camera is not showing it properly.
Bathroom tour. Very clean. This is public washroom. So we got this. What is this?
Sunbed.
Yeah, we got this sunbed. 200 baht for two.
For the entire day.
For the entire day.
Until 5 or 6 p.m.
6 p.m. So it's already 3. We have only 3 hours. Anyway, that's more than enough. This is in Patong Beach. Right now we are in Patong Beach. We are so tired after that Freedom Beach hike that we couldn't go anywhere. So today it seems beach day. It's beach day, baby. Thank you.
120.
120?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers. Una. So this time we will be doing Banana Pancake Trail. So Banana Pancake Trail is previously, when the travelers were coming in Asia, they were looking for banana pancake in the morning. So that's where the name came from. So right now the trail is originally Thailand, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. So this is the trail we are doing. First we bought Chang beer, which is local to Thailand. That is 60 baht. And this one 100 baht. No, actually.
Coco, 80.
Oh, this is 80 baht. Now GoPro time. Let's go. Our banana pancake trail started in Thailand, baby. Currently this is sunset time and this is a perfect time to be in a beach, and right now in Patong Beach, that's like west facing beach. So let's see if we can see the sunset or not because it's cloudy over there. This beach offers multiple activities like parasailing, jet skis, 1,500 for 30 minutes.
Yeah, actually there are too much parasailing going on and I'm feeling like a kite. Go katta bhai. I'm kind of scared. What if that happens?
First we need to fill up the tank. For return the petrol costed me 70 baht. Now I'm returning the bike and getting my passport back. So apparently they will take your passport as deposit or maybe 5,000 baht. So thank you so much for watching. Today I'm ending the video because he's having a bad headache because of sun. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and please share it with your friends and family. In the meantime, follow the imprints.